Just get the cover out. There we go. Home sweet home. Kinda. Don't worry. Look, I got the replacement right here. Put that on with the smart lock. Same thing, just like you had it. No one will ever know. Nobody's gonna know, right?
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Got some lights in there. Oh, someone's got a lock on the floor right there.
Hmm?
There's another lock right there.
Where did it come from?
Do the right in there. So warm.
Where did it come from? Yeah, we in the white apartment.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my granny chain.
Did they say they got an eviction notice or something?
I know.
Okay, good. Yeah, I don't care. There's nothing on the door when I got here, so. Attention, this property has been seized by the Maricopa County Constable. Well, see you later now, Maricopa County. We should have had that on the window. That was not on the window. You gonna stay here tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I didn't see nothing on the window, so let's see anything. Unless that's old. Is that old?
There's that, so they got food and stuff in that, the food and shit, the plates and all that shit.
Oh shit, we weren't here tonight, right?
Mm-mm.
Doesn't really make sense if somebody would put that on the floor, you know?
I know.
Put the new keys. Let's get out of here.
I ain't get that video.
I know. I'm going to. I ain't putting that one on. Shit. I mean, there's nothing on the window, though.
I know. Yeah, I got down. Was it in the door, yeah.
Were you guys here last night?